Hey everyone, today I will show you how to change app icons on iPhone. So first, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Right after, tap on the plus button in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. So we're going to search an action here. Let's find Open App. So click on it, then tap App here to choose the app. For example, WhatsApp. So let's find it here, click on it. Next, tap the Share button at the bottom of the screen. Select Add to Home Screen. Now you could choose the different colors that you want to have for your icon, or you could choose an image in here or choose a photo if you want to use a custom image from your photos. You have the option to choose a photo, take a photo or choose file, or you could use the different symbols that are available here. For example, I'll use this. And you could also tap on the text here to change the name. So we could name this back to WhatsApp. Now, once you're satisfied, just click on the add button in here and the new icon will now appear on your home screen. You can go ahead and move the original app icon to the app library if you don't want both icons to be displayed. And that is just basically it. You have successfully changed an app icon on your iPhone. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.